The 2025 Kia EV6 is the first model to be named to using the new terminology for Kia's EV1 EV9 series of electric vehicles. The 2025 EV6 offers a roomy cabin, strong performance, and an enjoyable ride. This Kia stands out rather than looks like anything else thanks to its stylish, attention-grabbing design, which makes sense. The EV6 has an estimated range of up to 310 miles based to the EPA. With a maximum charging speed of around 225 kilowatts, the EV6 consumes energy quickly, making long-distance electric travel possible. The EV6 outperforms rivals such as the Ford Mustang Mach-E, Volkswagen ID.4, and Nissan Ariya, but it is somewhat more expensive than its twin, the Hyundai Ioniq 5. The infotainment system features a 12.0-inch touchscreen, an extension of the EV6's 12.0-inch digital instrument cluster. The system has popular features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless smartphone charging, and Wi-Fi connectivity in addition to the capacity to get updates over the air and respond to numerous voice requests. It is also possible to update the stereo to a Meridian 14 speaker system. The Kia 2025 EV6 mounts on the rear axle, providing rear-wheel drive or all-wheel drive with electric motors on both the front and rear axles. All-wheel drive variants produce 320 or 576 horsepower, while the base rear-wheel drive model generates 167 or 225 horsepower. We drove the GT line AWD in Europe and were impressed by its rapid acceleration, responsive handling, and customizable regenerative braking settings. On our test track, the 320 horsepower GT line variant reached 60 miles per hour in 4.5 seconds. The performance variant is at the top of the line, with features including an electronic limited slip differential, tighter chassis tuning, adaptive suspension, and firmer brakes. The Kia EV6 comes equipped with a number of standard driver aid features, including automated emergency braking and automatic highlights. Many other features can be implemented to provide an even more secure experience.